Hi everyone. If we haven't met, I'm Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when a new video is posted. In today's video, I want to show you several simple features that are already built into your iPhone that can make a big difference on how easy it is to use. We're going to make text easier to read. I'll show you a much easier way to fix typing mistakes and a few features that honestly feel a little bit magic. As always, feel free to pause the video and follow along with me. Let's get started. Let's start with something that I hear all the time. Ellen, the text on my iPhone is just too small. There's a very easy way to fix that, and you don't have to go digging through a bunch of settings every time. First, you're going to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and that opens your control center. Now look for a button with two little A's and go ahead and tap on it. You'll see a slider that you can adjust the text. Here's the nice part. You can adjust the text just for the app you're using or for everything on your iPhone. So I'm going to swipe out of here for a minute and just open the YouTube Studio. I'm going to swipe down again from the upper right corner of my screen to go back to the control center, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on the double A's. I've tapped, or it's selected for YouTube Studio, but I could make it for all apps. I'm going to keep it at YouTube Studio, and if you look through the transparency as I'm adjusting the size, you'll see it getting bigger behind the transparency. So I'm going to go ahead and just take it up all the way. And now let me come out of the control center, and you can see that the size has been adjusted to very large. If you've never done this before, go ahead and play around with the slider and adjust it to what feels comfortable for you. Take your time. There's no right setting. I'm going to go ahead and adjust that back down by swiping down to come into the control center. I'll tap on the double A's. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it back down. I'll leave it at 110%. One more helpful tip. If you want even larger text, we're going to come into the Settings app. So locate your Settings app. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and tap on it. Find Accessibility. Tap on that. Locate Display and text size. Go ahead here and tap on larger text. You can toggle that on, and then you can adjust the slider here to make the text size bigger. This alone can make your iPhone feel so much easier to use. Now let's say you're out somewhere, maybe at a restaurant, and the print is really tiny. Instead of struggling to read it, you can use your iPhone like a magnifying glass. Again, we're going to swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to come into the control center, and we're going to tap on the magnifier this time. And this is what the magnifier looks like. It looks like a magnifying glass with a plus sign. If you are not seeing this control, you can add it to your control center by pushing and holding until the option comes up to add a control. Let me remove it for a second and I'll show you how to get it back. I'll tap Add a Control, and then at the top, I'm just going to type in magnifier. You'll see it appear there under Utilities. Go ahead and tap it, and now it's been added. Once you add it, go ahead and tap anywhere on the empty part of the screen to lock it in. So now I'm going to tap on the magnifying glass. It opens up. You'll see I have a piece of paper there that says small text. You just point your camera at what you're trying to read. And now you can use the little zoom option right here and zoom in so that you can see the text a little bit bigger. And if it's dark, you can go ahead and tap on the flashlight option so that you can see better. I use this feature all the time. This next feature is also one of my favorites. If you've ever tried to move the cursor, you know how frustrating that can be. Here's the easiest way to do it. So I have a note opened on my iPhone from the Notes app. When your keyboard is on the screen, press and hold on the space bar. This is the space bar right here. Press and hold on it for just a second. And now you can slide your finger, which allows you to move the cursor exactly where you want to place it. Take a minute and try this one. It is a game changer. Now let's make typing a little easier. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll until you see Keyboard and go ahead and tap on that. Here are a few of the settings you might want to try. Locate and turn on predictive text. Show predictions in line. Enable caps lock. And maybe you'd also like to try one-handed keyboard. Just try one or two and see what feels comfortable. I really like this next feature as well. Open a photo, maybe a flower or a pet, and tap on the little eye at the very bottom of the screen. If your iPhone recognizes something, you'll see it appears underneath where it says add a caption. It may tell you exactly what it is, and you can go ahead and tap on that to get more information about what flower or plant or even your pet. I'm going to tap the X. You can also add a caption in while you're looking at the photo, and this helps you find your photos later just by searching for that particular caption. Before we move on, I just want to mention something briefly. Many of you have told me that while the videos are helpful, sometimes you wish you could ask a question when you get stuck. So I've recently launched something I call my iPhone and iPad Confidence Club. It's a place where I can help you a little more step by step and answer your questions along the way. If that sounds like something that you may be interested in, I'll place a link below in the video description. Here's a quick one. Take a photo of a clothing label. Open it and tap on the eye at the bottom. Your iPhone then may be able to explain what all those symbols mean. So if I tap where it says laundry care, you're going to see all of the icons that are listed here and exactly what each of them means. No more guessing. If you like to listen to something before you go to bed, say the music app or audio of an Audible book, what you want to do is open the clock app. This is a great feature. Normally, when your timer ends, it plays a default sound. So right now, it's the default sound that's set. But now, when the timer ends, we can choose something else. I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and say stop playing. And I'm going to tap set in the upper right corner. And now, when my timer ends, it's going to stop playing whatever audio is that I'm listening to. So now your audio will automatically turn off at the end of a timer. These are the kinds of features that are already on your iPhone, but most people may not even realize they're there. But once you start using them, everything just feels easier. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments section. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.